Want to change your voice while keeping the original emotion and speaking style? ElevenLabs Voice Changer lets you transform one voice into another while preserving the tone, timing, and delivery of your recording. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use the ElevenLabs Voice Changer in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your plan includes access to the Voice Changer feature if it's required. From the dashboard, navigate to the Voice Changer tool. This feature was previously known as speech-to-speech and is designed to transform recorded audio into another voice while preserving the original performance. Upload a clear audio recording or record your voice if that option is available. Yeah, using high-quality audio with minimal background noise usually produces the most natural results. Select the AI voice you'd like to use from your voice library or another available voice. I mean, you can choose a different voice while still keeping the original pacing, emotion, and speaking style from your recording. Click the Generate or Convert button and wait while ElevenLabs processes your recording. Listen to the converted audio, and if needed, try another voice or upload a cleaner recording for even better results. Once you're satisfied with the converted voice, download the audio or save it to your project. Be sure you have permission to use or transform any voice you upload, and follow ElevenLabs usage policies when creating content. And that's how to use the ElevenLabs Voice Changer in 2026. With just a few steps, you can transform recordings into realistic new voices while preserving the original performance, making it perfect for videos, podcasts, storytelling, and creative projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.